Murimu wa COVID-19 ukuhukio tu ni unyitaniri wa andu othe kuona mwena umwe wahotoma ni wahotomia iria ingi. Kuregana na ndagitari Maumirira unyitaniri ni wa muingi kurumira mawatho ma kwigitira, thirikari gutirira bururi na nyitite mikuheana uteithio wa indo iria irabatarania makiria kuhurana na murimu uyu.
Ordinarily, achievement of the goal of crushing this pandemic requires mobilization of substantial resources and concerted efforts by all stakeholders in enhancing the quality of healthcare and efficiency.
Unyitaniri ta uyu niguo wonanitio ni ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thi ruria ruheanite uteithio wa macini cia labu na matonyo ma kugitira arigitani ma muigana wa shiringi milioni 32.
And these donations will indeed go a long way in ensuring that we are protecting our healthcare workers, that they are properly geared and they are able to continue doing the heroic work that they are doing.
Murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thi guku bururi-ini niwe Rudolph Richard augite Kenya niranyitanira na mabururi mangi o ndumwe na honge itiganite hari gwetha njanjo ya murimu uyu.
All these conversations, there have been collaborations established with the countries, and there have been discussions with Kenya and other African countries to become part of that collaboration.
Yes, Kenya is on the table. Kenya and South Africa primarily are the two countries in Africa who are frontiers and are looking at different vaccine trials.
Riri bara irathie na mbere, Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niraririkania muingi ati murimu nduri urahuka guku bururi ukiandikithia andu angi 679 aria manyitikanite na murimu uyu guku angi 18 magikwa ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24.
Today we have 679 people who have tested positive out of a sample of 6,590.
Riu muigana wa aria othe monekanite na murimu uyu guku bururi-ini urugamire 28,000 na 100 gatagati ka acio andu 14,610 makihona guku angi 456 magithinikanio ni murimu uyu gukinyiria riu.
743 patients who've recovered from this disease, of which 685 are from the home-based care program, whereas 58 were discharged from various facilities.
Kaunti cia Nairobi, Kiambu na Kajiado no cio itongoretie na muigana mweru wa arwaru, kionereria ati aikari ya kaunti ici ni marabatara kugucia kamba makiria na kwaga kuoya mawatho ma wimenyereri na itheru. Handu-ini ha Inoro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Winrose Wangui.